That looks like me. Hello, my name is Elijah IRL and this is my friend the Skull. He would like to say something.
Welcome to Dino Island.
And Dino Island is in his skull. So let's see, just like this. We're making our own skeleton dino. Let's get to it. If you want a Dino Island, the link is in the description below. Right now we're going to open the covering on his skull. Ooh, feels like a real skull. I don't know what a real skull feels like. Ew, it looks so realistic. Well, not really realistic, but scary. Has anyone spotted that this was from my Christmas video? Does the Grinch look like? If you've noticed, it in one of my videos, please comment where it was. Okay, I'm trying to be a Hulk smash right now. Yes. I wonder what his eye will look like. Oh, it's just in the box. Oh, you don't have to say that again, we know that already. Finally, it's open. Ew, the patch. How do you think it looks? A bit scary, ugly, or both? Dad, what do you think?
Scary.
I think ugly. Let's see its jaw. You don't know what its jaw looks like, so it could be ugly. That looks like me. So how do we... I'm trying to punch his head open. So... Oh. Jesus! Fingers! Okay. So let me just tell you how much mysteries there are. There's about nearly 30. It's good that I managed to break this skull because skulls are very hard. We've got Dino slime. I can feel the slime inside, and it's like
I'm taking.
rotten water, even though that's not a thing. Pirate Dino. The pirate dinos exist? I hope not. Dino foam. Does that bring them back to life? Dino quicksand. That's not a good idea to go in quicksand. Mystery treasure. 5 eggs. I put one in here. 5. Treasure map. And the most greatest thing, an unknown item. Let's look at them. Let's scratch off the first clue on the treasure map with a coin, like a scratch card. Dino quicksands! It sounds quick, Sandy. Sandy from SpongeBob. No, I don't want to sing. What's that about? I'll be right back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Don't sink. Let's open it. What the? Okay, it looks like it could be from a Terragon. Sand. Megalodon, what do you think? Comment right now, because at the end of the video we will know, so please comment now. That's all. Sand feels like it's like melting on me. Like gonna suck me in. If you know what I mean? Like what's the next clue? Dino phone. Move this aside. Excuse me, kind sir. Because I was thinking, I was like, because I remembered it. Because I said, is that the one that brings it back to life? So it looks like the skeleton is getting. I'll be right back again.
2,000 years later.
I've just noticed that this egg hasn't got nothing to have a little rest, so have some of my quicksand. It feels sticky, like real foam. Really, real foam. Let's dig it out. What in the what? Is that a head? Okay, the head is like, I've got it, sea creature. It really feels like it could like give me a really good bath, like with bubbles. Put water in there, put some of this in, I get a really good bath. Time to move on. Dino slime. I feel like that must be the bottom drawer in the slime. Let's get to it. I can't see the slime. Please do not jump scare me like 5 Nights at Freddy's. It is disgusting. Okay, I'm very bad with slime. So I can like If you're wondering why I didn't pour other parts in this in a jar, because, you know, slime's all sticky and goopy and gloppy, and you have to... If you think I need to wash with my hands, please tell me. It's like in the movie Avatar, this. I'm just going to rinse my hands with lava. Honestly, the slime feels like that I'm putting my hand in a bunch of goo. Like, so there's this film where someone jumps into a bottle with some goo and they all like sink in it. I love the slime. My favourite bit so far is the slime. My other slimes sadly dried up, but I've got 2 slimes. Let's get to the other one. I feel a bit bad for the coin, because he's the one that's getting rubbed. The eggies! This will take a very long time because I have plastic on, sorry. If you're not supposed to be watching YouTube, but you're watching it and you're on this video and your mum's nearby, please turn it off because this will take a really long time. What? No! Is the baby okay? This is so cool. Oh, it is amazing. What the? I think this is a bit rare. It's golden. Once I had a blue one with both of its eyes and just golden boots. But I just had a blue. It was just blue. It's a gold one. Look. The torch. Is that a torch? Yeah, a spear. Why would a caveman have a torch and diamond and gold on his feet? Look, golden shoes. I like them. I'm just going to take plastic, you know, all of the eggs. So, okay, all of the plastic's off. That's just good. Oh, all you have to do is squeeze them. You've got a mouse trap in it. Is he a mouse? I think he is, look. Is he a mouse? Is he a mouse? He's a pirate. Just like his friend. Look, they got pirate batteries. I don't think a caveman and a mouse. I don't think a caveman and a mouse will be in, you know, in a pirate ship, because that's a bit crazy. They're both in different times and they're both different ages. And my golden guy has got another golden friend. Gold on his back, golden foot. Ooh. I'm really lucky. Oh. Dad, remember I had this ball? It was blue and green. And it's golden. See? Gold foot and horn. Gold bone on its horn. Gold on his back. Just like a real bull. A bull is my star sign. And I'll smash. A terrapin. Okay, it's gold. Pterosaurus. It's a bit sad that he's got a broken wing, but that's part of the design. Gold there. See, I told you it was gold. What's next? Yes, definitely one for you. Knew it. I'm Doctor Strange. Let's put this together, shall we? What's that? Okay, time for the mystery treasure. I'm Doctor Strange again. I got a skeleton captain pilot and this golden T-Rex head. Let's put all the parts together. I'm really excited. Do I really have to take all this foam out? Just put it in. Look, it moves. Obviously it moves. So right now I'm in the middle of putting this in. Right. The thing with YouTube, if you get anything wrong, you literally have to deal with it. You just have to. So like in our puppet show at school, the man got it wrong, so you just had to stick with it. I'm a good expert of dinosaurs, but what dinosaur is this? Explosion! That shouldn't happen, okay? Okay?
Where's the T-Rex treasure?
I think I've got it. I would really like a swim. Wait, T-Rex. Look. I think this is where he belongs, in the sea. Is this Blackbeard? Do you belong in the sea? Let's open the mystery. Doesn't look very mysterious. What are they? What are they? they stickers? Tattoos or... yeah, stickers. Bye. Please like and subscribe.